Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Node.js. So today we are going to learn the function read directory. So today we are going to learn how to read the contents of a given directory. We have a given directory, we are going to read all of the contents in that one, okay? So let's paste this code, okay? And here we go with the index.js. So let's comment it and add our code over here, okay? So we are going to fs.read directory method, and we are going to list the current directory, right? And here we have read directory, this one, that is the etc password. So let's see what it's gonna be reading, right? So let's have a look. Node index.js. So this error has some error in the etc, so it is issue in that is it's not a directory, so we don't need to add it. Okay, so let's add this one. So you can see that here the current directory in file names, we have index.js, we have a js folder, we have a js tutorial folder with node modules, and this one you can see that this is my current directory. So this is how we are able to get the current directory data whatever we have. You can see that this method read directory, so whatever directly we have current directory, so we are able to get files and looping all the files and log all the files, okay, with the names. Okay, so I think you understand what exactly we have done. So how to read the contents of a given directory, we have all the file names, and on the behalf of it you can also get this file name and match this one and read the content also. So we are going to do it in the next part, right? So I hope you understand what we have done in this video. So any query, any issue, any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.